Hi, this is Chris for Boatshed Essex on board the Campion we have listed. I'm just making an interior video here to give you bring it to life really from the inside. So starting off in the cockpit, looking at the rear seating, you can just see there the corner of the cockpit table. Got a picture of it there, speaker behind. And we move forward to this rather plush seating here. Boat presents as a tidy boat. You can see from our listing the owners have invested in some recent servicing work. They've obviously given her a good clean as well, ready for the sale. Okay, so let's go and take ourselves down below. We've got wraparound seating around another saloon table. Plenty of windows and hatches letting light in. Nice to see the owners have kept on top of the moisture. These desiccant pots they've got round here. And then we come round now and see the galley area. Sink, hob top, fridge, microwave, and you can see some cupboard stowage space. There's lots of little pockets and cupboards for storing things on this boat. And then we can have a look round into the aft berth. Out and show you the heads. So I've got a couple of the boat hooks in there at the moment. It's pictured without those if you want to see the heads without. So you've got toilet and shower, basin. And then just adjacent to that we've got more storage space here. Well, if you'd like to know any more, please do visit the listing at boatshedessex.com. Give us a call, we'll be happy to answer any queries you have and organise a viewing if you'd like to come and see her. Thanks very much.